Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to find Messenger hidden messages or check or find hidden messages on Facebook Messenger. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. After that, open your Google Play Store. So in this here you can type or search Messenger. After that, update your Messenger. After that, open Messenger. You can see my Messenger account. So in this I can easily find or check hidden messages. So let's see. In this time I can show fast process or fast method. After that, three dot line menu, click on it. After that, choose and open archive. So in this here you can see or find your hidden messages on your Facebook Messenger. So in this time I can easily find or check your hidden messages on Messenger. In this time I can show second process or second method. After that, go back, choose and open settings, scroll down, choose and select privacy and safety, open it, scroll down. You can see message delivery, restricted accounts, blocked accounts. So in this you can choose and select restricted accounts, click on it. So in this you can easily find or check my Messenger hidden messages. So let's see. After that, open it, choose unrestrict, click here. So in this way you can easily find or check your hidden messages on your Facebook Messenger. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.